rain gauges problems. Okay, optimum number of rain gauges. Optimum important number of rain gauges. Finding out as per the code. Okay, as per the code recommendations. Write it there if you want. I am going to solve the problem on this. As per code recommendations. Which code?
Rain code.
Hey. As per the Indian Standard Code, IS specification, IS Indian Standard Code. Okay. Now coming back to the, I am explaining you. You take down how exactly as per what the code says. Right? I am going to give the code values. Directly I shall go to the problem directly.
Problem.
That will be the right. Rain gauge network. Rain gauge network. After that you write optimum. First you write rain gauge network. What is network? Anybody? What is the rain gauge network?
Connections.
Those particular rain gauges which have been placed or which have been located, they are being interconnected. Understand or not? That is, that particular connection of those different rain gauges which have been located at the different places is known as the rain gauge network. Correct or not? Then now why this particular thing? Now the optimum number of rain gauges is finding out the number of actually rain gauges required. Correct or not? In this particular code, you will be finding out how many number of rain gauges for Bijapur district example. For Bijapur district total consisting of so many talukas, so many villages, something like that. Then tomorrow if you want to give the total rainfall in Bijapur district, if you want to say, you cannot say only near Sika one rain gauge is there. You cannot say the rain has occurred 5 cm or 6 cm of rainfall or 100 mm of rainfall. That is not going to be a district rainfall. That's why each and every taluka place, even in each and every villages nowadays, these rain gauges are there, rain gauge stations. Those rain gauges which have been located are called as the rain gauge stations. Rain gauge stations, location of the rain gauge stations. So now this particular code says how many number of optimum word. What is optimum meaning? Why the word optimum?
Maximum.
Neither maximum nor minimum.
Intermediate.
It gives you, the code says, actually, for example, in whole Bijapur district, example I am telling you, example, there are about 11 rain gauges are there, all districts. But by this calculation, actual rain gauge is required by calculation. You will be requiring 15 rains are required. Existing are how much? 11. 15 minus 11, 4. 4 another rain gauges are to be located as per this code. Right? No, right. One definition is I am going to define rain gauge density. Right now, rain gauge density or network density. I am going to give this also. Okay, write it as a, you should know. Rain gauge density or network density. What is the rain gauge density? If you ask me, it is first I will tell. It is the ratio of the total area of the catchment to the, it is the ratio of the total area of the catchment to the number of rain gauges available or to the total number of rain gauges. Right now, rain gauge density is defined as, already 30 minutes I think, 30 minutes not close. Open and close, speed add it. ಯಾವಾಗ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತೋ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಕ್ಲೋಸೇ ಆಯ್ತಿದೆ, ಇಸ್ಪೀಟ್ ಆಟ. ಓಕೆ, rain gauge density or network density is the ratio of, is defined as unit. first we write, is defined as the ratio of, ಬರೀ ನಾನು ಮುಖ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬರೀ ಅದು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಹಾಂ ಹೇಳಿರುತ್ತೆ, is the ratio of total area of the catchment, is the total area of the, ಕೇಳಿಸಲ್ಲ ಧ್ವನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಪೂರಾ ಗಾಂಚುಕ್ನ ಕಿತ್ತೋಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸಲ್ಲ. It is the ratio of total area of the catchment to the total number of gauges, to the total number of rain gauges in the total number of rain gauges in the what? In the catchment. Right? In the catchment. ಕಿವಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Right? Code. Now, let's find out. Code recommendations. Code, COAT code recommendations. Right in the bracket. Somebody asked which code. IS. ಏನಿದೆ?
ಇಂಡಿಯನ್
ಆಗಲೇ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು 4987 of 1968, very long back. This is a code number. This is the year in which this is code has been formed. It is not being revised after that. Okay, na? Right. Now you write the pressure. Okay. Important. It is also recommended. Then one word above below this. It is also, write it down. It is also recommended that 10% of the gauges are. It is also recommended that 10% of the gauges are of recording type. It is also recommended that 10% of the gauges are of recording type. Got it? Now write down. 10% of the gauges are of recording type. Full stop. Next. Now you write down as per the code. The optimum number of rain gauge stations. You want to write on the blackboard?
Yes, sir.
No sir, yes sir. Optimum number of rain gauge stations. Rain gauge stations. N. ಇದು optimum number of rain gauge station N ಅಂತ, capital N. As per ISI, in a standard institute is given by N equal to CV square bracket CV divided by P whole square. Right? Now write down here where CV is equal to coefficient of variation of rainfall values of existing stations. Stations ಅಂದ್ರೆ rain gauge stations ಅಂದ್ರೆ not police station or railway station. Next, so this CV, this equal to, this CV is equal to, this CV equal to SX. I put on Lakshman Rekha here. CV equal to SX by X bar. Statistics, mathematics करतीला into 100. This is X bar. Into 100. What is this one? Percent, because multiplied by 100. Now you write here where Sx equal to, what is you write? Come on, that solve the problem. Where this Sx is equal to standard deviation. This Sx equal to standard deviation. Standard deviation. Okay. And what is it? X bar equal to, and how you spell? How you spell X bar?
X bar.
Summation of this, no, X bar equal to mean of X bar equal to mean of MEN, mean of rainfall values, mean of rainfall values of existing stations, mean of rainfall values of existing stations. Right? P. Where is the P? P is not there.
P.
But P आमें बरना P. Later. P. But P equal to that P, right? Desired degree of error. P equal to P. Later. P equal to desired degree of error. What is the amount of error? Desired degree of error? Anybody?
P.
Just now I told, I think. How much? What is the desired degree of error in this? In this, it will be between 6% to 10%, maximum 10. Desired degree of error in estimating. Desired degree of error in estimating mean rainfall. In percentage, 6%, 7%, 8%. Right? Both, but one more word you write, no, below. Both are how? CV and PL. Both CV and P, both CV and P are expressed as percentage. Right? Let us solve one problem. Right? Take the problem. Bari problem. You bari keli uta mani mulkon hogudill idu. The exam they are going to ask. I think have you seen the question paper?
No, sir.
Question paper you have not seen, huh? What you have seen? The problems are asked. I say every time in the question paper the problem will be there on this. Pakka. This time also there will be a pakka problem. Right now, a problem, a catchment area. I've solved this problem and wind up. A catchment area has 5 rain gauge stations. You want me to write on the blackboard? Not necessary now. Very good. A catchment area has 5 rain gauge stations. Full stop. Next. In a year, annual rainfall recorded, manual. Okay. And a catchment. In a year, annual rainfall recorded by the gauges are. In a year, annual rainfall recorded by the gauges are, right now, are 78.8 centimeter, comma 90.2 centimeter. Hey, 90 part. First is 78.8 centimeter, comma 90.2 centimeter, comma 98.6 centimeter, comma 98.6 centimeter, comma 102.4 centimeter, and 70.4 centimeter. 5 rain gauge station, 5 data. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Good. Full stop. Now we have changed. For a next. Full stop. For a ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬಾಳೆ ಅನ್ಸೋಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. ಬಾಳೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. For a 6% error. For a 6% error in the estimation of the, for the 6% error in the estimation of the mean rainfall, for a 6% error in the estimation of the mean rainfall, MEAN rainfall, comma, determine the additional number of, determine the additional, you want to write spelling or determine the additional number of rain gauges needed. Determine the additional number of rain gauges needed. 8 marks, not main example. Okay, let's do the problem. Are you understanding now?
Yes, sir.
But even in online class also I told, but you are not understood. Karna?
Yes, sir.
Online I explained this, sir. But why, where you were there, you were not there. You are at least 7th semester A and B students are good. Actually, these 5th semester students, when the online classes are on, they are doing all mischievous things, sir. Doing all these chit-chatting, then again barking like a dog, barking like a monkey, chatting like a monkey. All these things they have done. I stopped my class. Attendance is out of 120, 90, 80, but whereas only 9 have attended. I don't know how I am getting attendance. Don't know, but no use. Afterwards I came to know that this online class is completely bogus. Should not. I am also making drama. You are also making a big drama. Or drama company. But now we are all making dramas only.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Okay. Solution. First, what you have to find out? X bar. Better. X bar is equal to, add up. What is that X bar equal to? 1 by n summation of xi. Write all this. It will be, my boys, write up 78.8 plus 90.2 plus 98.6 plus 102.4 plus 70.4. 4 divided by number of rain gauge stations are how much? 5. Right. Now, if you add up and do it, calculation you do it. If you should do all the calculations, actually you
88.0.
this total it comes out to be, after divided by 5, it comes out to be 88.05 centimeter. Yes or no?
08 centimeter. 08.
No, 88.08 is that?
08 centimeter.
08 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Okay, next standard deviations. Next, the standard deviation of the rainfall. The standard deviation of the rainfall is given by formula. This is what standard deviation. This is called as Sx square. Sx square is equal to summation of, very careful, this xi, each and individual xi minus x bar divided this whole thing square. Correct? No? Xi minus x bar square divided by whole thing divided by n minus 1 divided by this one. Now I am going to substitute it. What is your xi value? First value 78.8. Right now 78. You write it now. Make effort. I say 78.8 minus 88.08. 88.08 square. Correct now. Next plus next value 90.2 minus 88.08 square. Next third value 98.6 minus 88.08 square plus 102.4 minus 88.08 square plus next last value 70.4 minus 88.08 square. My boys, look here. 70.4 minus 88.08 will become minus value. Minus square means it become plus value. Yes or no? No. Whole thing divided by n minus 1. N is 5.
minus 1.
5 minus 1. Correct? Write it. 5 minus 1. N minus 1. 5 minus 1. What is that?
5 minus 1, sir, not 4.
Oh, you. But what I told is correct. N minus 1. 5 minus 1. But return 5 minus 4. Okay. Now if you do it, the value I am getting, I don't know how much you are getting. Right now, it comes as sx square equal to, my boys, I got it, this value 179.732. You check it up. Whether I am getting that value, just check it up. Sx square equal to that value. Sx equal to square root of that. Yes or no? Therefore, Sx equal to root of 179.732. That's equal to root of that will equal to how much? It will be 13.41. Check it up. You check madbekadna. Na wrong madbodu. I have done wrong. But do it, correct it by calculation. Therefore, Sx square equal to that. Therefore, Sx equal to root of 179.732. It comes out root of 179.732 equal to 13.4. I think we got 13.41. Check it out. Okay. Now I will wipe off the blackboard. I am going to wipe off the remaining. So upper portion I will wipe off. Okay. What next? I have to find out CV. Right now, next step. CV equal to look at Sx formula I given already. This Sx divided by x bar into 100. How the formula? Then substitute. Your Sx is 13.41, right? Divided by your x bar is 88.08 into 100. 15.22%. 15.22%. Right now, as divided by 100 means the value of CV is in percentage. I already told you. Then coming to the final match. Final match, no? These are all the T20 one days. That's no. Some 30, 40, 100, whatever. Final match. Yes, grand. Now right now, this n equal to formula. This CV divide by this P square. Correct? Now you substitute. Your CV is 15.2 divided by P is error 6%. 6 you write. It is already in percentage. Then write by 6. Whole thing raised to square. It comes how the way CV divided by 15.2 divided by 6. Whole thing square. Tell me the answer.
6.4.
No, 6.43. The number N is number of rain gauges actually required. What is N? Capital N is equal to number of rain gauge actually required. Therefore, 6.43 this is equivalent to 6. Hey, 7 half rain gauge irtare andre half is illa. Right? Therefore, rain gauge is required to be 7, but existing are how much? 5. Right now. Therefore, last picture. Additional number of rain gauges required. Therefore, additional number of rain gauges required is equal to additional number of rain gauges required is 7. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 2 numbers. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ?
8 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ.
8 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತವೆ. For writing Simon's rain gauge, what is the total marks of your each model? Each question?
16 marks.
16. 8 marks for sketch. Each one 20, na? Okay, then if they ask ABC, one theory question. What is the rain gauge density? Next, write with the sketch the Simon's rain gauge. Next, immediately the problem. You will get 20 out of 20 if you do it correctly. I think it is better to stop.
Okay, sir. Half an hour.